me, Courtney. So I did some passion twists for this tutorial. I guess it's a tutorial about me doing these passion twists over my starter locks and a quick 2-month review on my starter locks before we hop into the review. Into the process of doing these passion twists. So for these passion twists, I use 6 packs of hair, free tress hair, Bohemian braid 2 packs, and the water wave 4 packs for sure. And I have 40 dreads in my head, so it took pretty much the full 6 packs to do these 40 twists. And these are pretty thick. I mean, you see how full it is, and this is only 40, so can you imagine if you did more in your head? Who knows? But let's hop into this. Guys, this is a quick 2-month review on my starter dreads. So I just washed them because I plan on doing some passion twists to my hair over these dreads. And I do have 40 dreads exactly. So this is what it looks like, guys. 2 months in. I mean, one of them keep trying to unravel this one. But, I mean, it's getting thicker. And once I sat there and I pulled some apart, like at the root, I was sitting there at the root pulling and pulling and pulling. But, yeah. This is 2 months. This is where we are. This is what we're doing. So maybe I'll turn this into like a passion twist tutorial. I mean, also after I start doing that, see how that works out. I'm not good at doing hair. Like some people are really good at it. And like even when I sit there and watch the tutorials, I just can't get it. Even when it's just like putting on the lace front, I couldn't get it. She made it look so simple. It was not simple at all. It was not simple. So then I tried one day just to attempt to do one little dread over these. And I did okay, but then when I tried the other day, it just wasn't working. It wasn't. So this passion twist is like a 2-strand twist. I mean, we're going to see how this works out. But yeah, this is our 2-month review on these starter locks. This is where we are. We are semi-freeforming. To get the thick look that I want, I did a lot of watching on YouTube and stuff like that. And a lot of chicks freeform. So they don't get it twisted for like 5 to 6 months, 7 months. So that is what we're doing. We're not getting it twisted. We're just living our life like it's golden, I guess, and freeforming until, because I do want that thick puffy look this go around with these 40 thick big dreads. That's what I'm going for. So I'll be back in a second when I start doing these passion twists. Bye. I'm doing a quick tutorial on passion twists. So most people say to use 8 packs, and most of them use just the water wave. You get this free tress depending on where you live at. This should be at your hair store, but I went to a couple hair stores here that I never usually go to, and they didn't have any free tress hair. So depending on where you are, there might not be any free tress hair, because even some of the videos I saw, chicks were ordering off Amazon. That's crazy. But anyway, now this is one chick, Boho Babe, and I watched a couple other videos. Is that a lot of people use 8 packs of hair and they used only the water wave. But I watched this one chick where she used the Bohemian braid and the water wave. She used 8 packs. So I have 40 dreads in my hair, so I was trying to make it thicker, and I figured I would only need 6 packs. So this is the water wave here. This is a 99J, and this is like a TP1B/33. These are both the water waves combed out, and this is the Bohemian braid. The one just looks different and thinner and stringier. So you need to comb these out or pluck these out to thicken them up. These aren't all the way plucked out, but you know, I grabbed 2 or 3 pieces as I'm doing it, and I put that on one braid or one twist at a time. Like I said, I'm doing these over dreadlocks, so I will show you guys how to do this in a second. Let me finish up my hair, maybe leave 2 left in the front, and boom, let's get to it. Don't forget, free tress hair. These are only like $5.99 a piece, so I bought 6 packs. I used one of the TP1B33 in water wave, the 1B33 in Bohemian braid, and then a 99J in water wave. So I have 3 of each, which equals 6. So a whole pack did maybe 20 something in my head, maybe 20 something twists. So 6 packs is definitely enough if you're trying to do 40 or maybe 42 of these big twists in your head. So I'll be right back. I really wanted some flash with this. Oh, can I do it? Boom! We got a little light. All right, so I have a piece of each hair. You know what I'm saying? Two of the water waves, the red water wave, the black water wave, and then the bohemian braid. Now you don't have to do all 3 of these. You could do 2 strands, but make sure when you do it, you separate them. You start, because you know it start real thin and silky, so you need to make it thick. I need to step back for y'all so y'all can see what's going on here. I'm separating. I combed it out with this brush first. When I first took it out the pack, I brushed them out, and I kind of leave it still kind of curly at the end, so it's easier to curl up at the very end. You see, I don't really break it down at the end like that. Okay. You see my dread? I have dreads, like I said, not just regular hair, so it isn't like I'm parting anything. Not using the comb, just pulling each dread. And I'm in the process of freeforming dreads too, so I have a little bit of edge control. Can I tell you the brand? I don't know because I didn't take the tag off. But it has a little bit of castor oil in it. And it smells really good. So we use, not much. I really haven't used much of this, but since I'm in the front, we over here by these edges and things, you know, we're going to try and get that together. All right. That looks pretty crispy. All right, that looks crispy. Now, I know nothing about doing hair. I need y'all to understand it. I'm not a braider. I'm not a twister. I watched like 3 videos, and this looked simple enough. And I was like, I could do that. I mean, I done tried a couple different things, but I know I could do that. So, yeah. So if I feel like if I could do it, you could do it too. So I know they say when you start a braid, you really just wrap the hair around whatever middle hair you're using. Like I said, the middle hair I'm using is my dread. And I'm not, as you see, I'm not adding anything to the dread. The dread is just by itself being braided. So I braided down to the end of the dread. I know the boho babe, when she did it, she broke like one piece of hair, broke it into 2, twisted it on both sides, and they got the twist, and it was real intricate. I was like, first off, I got dreads, so I can't split it. And yeah, I'm not doing all that. We're gonna throw this mud up in the braid and then twist it. So I noticed with my dread though that it does like to try and poke out. So I do wrap it when I get towards the bottom, wrap it around one side so that it kind of is wrapped around something and it don't, because it will unravel. I done had only 2 unravel in the back, but still it unraveled. So after I do that twist and wrap my dread around, as you see, then I begin twisting it. Now I'm twisting. 2-strand twist, y'all. Now it's just those 2 pieces and we're just wrapping it. Now they said this style takes about 8 hours, 8 packs. And I figured because I have 40 dreads, like, it ain't gonna take me that long. But no, I started at 6 last night. I done lay down to like 11:30. And it's 6 a.m. right now. We just not kicking it back up. But I only had this little section left. So that's maybe like 6, 7, maybe like 6. Not too many at all. And we're twisting. You see, I have to stand on my tippy toes for y'all. Y'all can see I'm still twisting. And I think I like this look because it's messy, but at the same time it's clean. And I'm not walking around like a little boy with my little baby dress. Plus I'm freeforming, so it's just real nappy and OC looking like Kodak Black. I don't want to look like that. And I'm trying to be cute. So I feel like when I take these out, my dreads, of course, they're not going to be as thick. So I'm going to have to wash them, maybe pull them apart a little bit to get the thick poofiness back. Because this is definitely, tightening them up, gripping them up into a slimmer dread. So we are at the bottom, finally. When I get to the bottom, I twist it. I try to finish that little twist more than anything. I just get to twirling it around my finger. We end that little twist and then we twirl, twirl. And it twirls up. Twirl it. Okay. Twirl around your finger, kind of up, and I'll pull it out. Then boom. It's a big old curl. So It's a braid. Then it gets kind of bouncy at the end. Here it is. Okay. Let me show y'all the full look right now with the rest that I've done. So, like I said, I only have 40 in my head. I don't know how many the other chicks do that actually have regular hair and are parting their hair, but I only have 40. So, and I haven't even finished the 40. Like I said, I have like 6 left. But this is the look that you are going to end up with when you do your whole head with this process. Like I said, these are dreadlocks. These are over my dreads. So just know this is an easy style if you are a dread head and you don't want to walk around looking like Lil Fred. I don't be want to look like Lil Fred all the time. So I like this. We're going to wear this for a little while. And I like that this hair is very soft. You know, it's not real tense. It's not real hard. So I know I can put it up and twist it and do all types of stuff with it because it's so loose and soft and easy to move around and bendy and flexy. And the hair is cheap, so if any slip out, I mean, I could easily redo this style. This ain't something difficult where I need to find a stylist. I could redo this. This is all right. So I will be back when I am finished, you guys. Thanks. I'll do another one for y'all. Like, might as well, you know, do two, you know. Like, gosh, like she only did one. Wait, I didn't get it. I gotta keep rewinding the video. I didn't get it. Like I said, when you got dreads, it's already, your hair is pretty much already pre-parted. You dig? When you got dreads. Okay, so now you don't always have to do it the same depending on what hair you get. Like I said, some people only use the water wave and that's it. Like I have the Bohemian braid and the water wave. So this right here is different this time. I only have one of the water waves and then 2 of the Bohemian braids, the blackest Bohemian braid. So, I mean, you can mix and match it however you feel and you want to. So, like I said, I saw one chick use these 2 hairs and I went based off her video, then watched the other videos and saw everybody else only used one type, which was the water wave. But regardless, I mean, I'm still getting the same effect. So here, we wrapped it around, you know. And we braid it down. Okay. So we wrap it around that little piece of dread. I mean, you could possibly do this with your real hair. The last little bit you got that you know ain't gonna braid up and probably gonna just be sticking out the braid. You wrap that around so it could just begin to twist. You ain't gotta worry about that thing sticking out. And then I saw a lot of people that just have regular hair, not dreaded hair, and they would put some of the edge control on that little last piece of hair and then begin to twist. So obviously that doesn't work for me because it's all thick and knotted. So yeah, I gotta wrap my little piece. Okay, and then we're back at this twist and we see how crispy these things are. It's all right. We're doing all right. It definitely took hours. I didn't think, thinking I got 40 dreads. Like, man, then when you twist, you pull it. You twisting and pulling it up, twist and tighten. So that's what gives it this bouncy effect, twist and tighten. Just wait, y'all. I'm gonna get cold with the videos. I'm gonna have it at the end where I can have a little music playing in slow motion and I'm whipping it and all that good stuff. I know, see how they do it. Just hold on. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. Like I said, I feel like we're gonna wear this style for a while. Like I got a trip to California next month. Hopefully I don't have to redo this for the trip to California. I mean, who knows? It might be all messed up. I mean, it's the end of the month. The trip is in a month, so who knows? I may have to redo it. Maybe like the day before or 2 days before, seeing that it takes so long. Sheesh. And then I'm gonna learn how to put music on these silent parts too. We need to hear something now that we have any other music playing. I need it. So we're at the bottom, you guys. We've twisted and we've pulled. We've twisted and pulled. And I being lazy around this part. I thought this was gonna be a quick job. I really did. I need to. When people say it's gonna take 6 to 8 hours, you need to believe them. No matter what you got, it's gonna. I guess separating the hair and then doing each one and all the twisting. It takes a while. If you got a friend that can help you, that'd be cool. I mean, hopefully it looks the same. You don't have it looking all weird. Okay. So now we back at the end and we twisting. And we rolling. We twisting and we rolling. Twisting. Boom. And you gotta just curl up. Comes back. Then you pull it down. And boom. Boom. We've got them. We've got them. I'll throw them all over here. You see the look. It's a good look. It's alright. Alright, that was it. That was 2. I'll show y'all the end when we're done. Thanks. So this is the finished product, you guys. This was 6 packs of hair, 40 twists over my dreads. I mean, you see it's super full, but 40 of them. That is full as ever with 6 packs. So I'm saying you need 8 packs. Sheesh. But this is the final look. This is how long it is. I didn't get the 12 inch. I got like the 22 inch long. So I probably should try doing a short. Maybe next time. But this is it. I'm braided over the dreadlocks. Final result. Thanks, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I did a good job showing y'all how to do this. So see you later. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.